Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shawn Pourgol. I'm an osteopath and today I want to speak with you about osteopathy's effectiveness for chronic pain. Osteopathy does wonders in treating chronic pain. Most of the patients seen by manual osteopaths are last resort cases with chronic pain for many years that couldn't get help elsewhere. If you suffer from chronic pain, you definitely should see a manual osteopath. I'll give you some example so you know how effective osteopathy is. By the way, if you're interested to read research about effectiveness of osteopathy for chronic pain management, I posted a lot of research in one of my Facebook groups. It's called Osteopathy Related Research and Science. You can visit it and read all the research applicable to chronic pain management in osteopathy. To give you some example, one of my students at National Academy of Osteopathy, Tony Lee, after graduation he got a job in a clinic in Markham, Ontario in Canada, in a rehab clinic owned by Dr. Raymond Chan. The first patient he got was a person who had a car accident over 6 months ago and had chiropractic, physiotherapy, massage and acupuncture in that clinic. His pain was lowered a lot, but he still could not walk after 6 months of treatment. Tony worked on this patient for 2 weeks and the patient started to walk. This amazed the clinic owner, Dr. Chan, so much that he and his wife both registered for a diploma in osteopathic manual practice program at National Academy of Osteopathy. After graduating, they continued their education by enrolling at the Bachelor of Science in Osteopathy and the Doctor of Osteopathy program we offer at National University of Medical Sciences in Spain, because they fell in love with osteopathy. This is the power of osteopathy. I give you one more example. I was teaching osteoarticular techniques one time at National Academy of Osteopathy, and somebody came for treatment with one of our interns, Nicholas Zankai. I remember this client very well, Hilda Fernandez, because she's on my Facebook group and we always chat. She had some treatment, 1 hour of treatment with Nick, and when she came out to leave, she came to the technique room, and in front of everybody, she bent and tied her shoes. I was surprised why she's doing it, and she told me for many years she could not bend down enough to tie her shoes, and now she could after just one osteopathy treatment. This is how wonderful osteopathy is. It does miracles for treating chronic pain. But not so many people know about osteopathy's effectiveness for chronic pain. So I decided in 2017 to form a clinic called Osteopathy Chronic Pain Clinics of Canada, so people can get familiar with the fact that osteopathy is effective for chronic pain. I founded this clinic in September 2017 with one clinic in Toronto, Ontario, Canada, and in about 2 years the clinic has grown to 326 clinics in 30 countries, including Canada, USA, Singapore, Malaysia, Spain, and so on. I believe the rapid growth of this clinic is due to its effectiveness in treating chronic pain and how our manual osteopaths treat chronic pain. This is the beauty of osteopathy. It offers it offers help for last resort cases. If you suffer from chronic pain, if you have not been helped by other forms of treatments, please, it's in your benefit to give osteopathy a try. If you want to find a manual osteopath near you, you can visit our clinic's website. Is called osteopathypainclinic.com, and the list of the locations are there We are the main provider of manual osteopathic care in Canada. Our clinics are in all Canadian provinces, and we are here to serve you. You owe it to yourself to not live with pain. Please give osteopathy a try if you suffer from chronic pain. I hope you enjoyed this video. That's it for today, and until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye for now.